You're taking the customer through a little journey. After every little morsel, there's lots of conversation happening here, and you can see that through your menu. Well done.
Thank you. The oysters, I'm interested to see if they have a smoky flavour.
Hopefully they're okay.
Very delicate. Get that nice saltiness of the oyster, the creaminess of the oyster, and then these little toasty, herby crumbs on top. And you just get those little bits of tomato at the end. It's a nice little delicate start to the meal, and it doesn't taste burnt.
Good.
You must have caught them just in time.
I did.
The main meal I'm extremely confident with. It's literally my heart on a plate.
I wasn't convinced when you picked polenta and picked semolina that you were doing the right thing, but it's light and delicate and, you know, and beautiful. It's lovely. Really like that. It's a lovely dish. Only just managed to get that done in time.
Just, that was a worry.
It was a worry, wasn't it? Can't believe you did it, actually. It looks quite pale.
Yeah, I was rushing with that one.
Filling's nice. The pancake's not so good, and I think we knew that that wasn't going to be quite as good as it should be.
Sure thing.
Good effort. I like that. I like it a lot.
Cheers.
There are elements of Greece, elements of Italy, elements of Balmain. Perfect combination. And I have to say that if you serve that to me in a restaurant, I'd be absolutely delighted. I think, after the suckling pig in Hong Kong, and now this, you're on fire, young man. Congratulations. It's what we've been waiting to see from you. 2 in a row. Congratulations.
Thank you.
Winning back-to-back with the mystery box would be so cool, but I'm just relieved that I've cooked up food that I really like and it's been well received.
Julie.
I take the brief really seriously. I try to give them the spirit of what they're asking for. I'm thinking about my beautiful husband. Oysters, they're natural with a Thai-style dressing. Balmain bugs, pasta and fennel leek, and a strawberry and creme fraiche tart.
Dressing's nice and sweet. What I would have liked, to be honest, is something that would add texture to it. Things like lemongrass and coriander shredded up, or green mango, or something that's going to add some sort of textural depth to the oysters. But it's a nice little dressing, very simple. So now I'm going to try the bugs. You've made an angel hair pasta, and you've cooked that well. It's very soft, which is good, actually, with that bug meat. Presentation could be better, though.
They're happy with the way the main tastes for the most part, but it looks clumsy.
For me, the whole 3 courses, in terms of flavour, is fine, but it needs elegance.
I know my presentation isn't great, so when they make those comments about it, I understand.
Sam, you're next up.
Oysters with tomato tea and wild mushroom crostini. Bug and watercress salad with an Asian dressing. The dessert, strawberry and vanilla cream milk foy.
Sam.
Gary?
Is it the sort of thing that you would feed to your wife?
Yeah, definitely the first 2 courses.
Well, let's try. So we pop the oyster in here?
Yes.
And then pour the tea on top?
That's right.
And then the crostini?
Yes. You can have the tea with the crostini as well.
I really like the combination between the mushroom crostini and the tomato tea. I think you've nailed a little concept there. It's great.
OK.
So this is your bug main course?
Yes.
I was a bit dubious about the fact that you were serving a cold main course.
Sure.
But you know what? I mean, Valentine's Day is in summer. I think it would work fantastically.
Oh, no. What's that?
It's just a bit of shell.
Oh, lovely. Sorry.
I nearly died, seriously.
Can't believe that.
Unfortunately, that spoilt it for me, that little bit.
It's like, God, Sam, heavens above.
Now the dessert. And what you've got here is just slightly doughy,
Yep.
undercooked. That's the difficulty with puff pastry, is it looks cooked on the outside, but once you open it up, there's that little doughy middle, and that spoils it.
Fair enough.
There's not much point tasting it because it's going to taste like puff pastry.
I think it's the first time Matt has ever refused to taste something.
I feel frustrated because I know that you could have put something spectacular on that plate.
It's not good enough. I think that could see me in a pressure test.
Chris, would you like to bring your dishes up for us to taste?
I'm feeling pretty confident. My dish is probably 9 out of 10 on the romantic scale.
It's oysters 3 ways. Bugs with Asian greens cooked in a paper bag. Strawberry souffle with vanilla cream and a chocolate cone.
But, you know, it's up to those 3 guys, not just me.
Nice idea with the oysters. As you tear that open and you get the steam and the aroma coming out, that's beautiful. Beautiful idea. Bug meat's really delicate, really sweet. It's nicely steamed inside that bag. I'm not sure about the fresh herbs on the side, but it looks a bit strange.
I'd never done it with strawberry souffle before. Look, I just wanted to dig into that souffle and see what it was like. Obviously, I can't because it's not for me.
I think you can't go past a souffle if you're trying to impress somebody. And I love the idea of the piece of chocolate there. I think it's great. I think you've done a fine job. Thank you.
You're taking the customer through a little journey. After every little morsel, there's lots of conversation happening here, and you can see that through your menu. Well done.
Thank you. I've had very, very positive things to say about it, so I'm very happy.